Welcome to our channel. Setting up an energy-efficient mesh network ensures reliable Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home while minimizing power consumption and reducing your electricity bills. Step 1. Choose energy-efficient mesh Wi-Fi hardware from reputable brands that advertise low power consumption and have energy-saving features. Step 2. Determine how many mesh nodes you'll need based on your home's size, typically placing one node every 1,000 to 1,500 square feet. Step 3. Select a central location for your main mesh router, connecting it directly to your modem with an Ethernet cable for the best performance. Step 4. Power on your main router and use the manufacturer's mobile app to complete the initial setup process. Step 5. Place additional mesh nodes throughout your home in areas where Wi-Fi coverage is weak, keeping them in open spaces rather than inside cabinets. Step 6. Configure each mesh node using the app, ensuring they're optimally positioned for strong signal strength between nodes. Step 7. Enable power-saving features in your mesh system settings, such as scheduled sleep modes during times when the network isn't heavily used. Step 8. Optimize your network by choosing less congested Wi-Fi channels and disabling unnecessary features that consume extra power. Step 9. Connect frequently used devices via Ethernet cables when possible to reduce wireless traffic and power consumption. Step 10. Monitor your network's energy usage using smart plugs or the router's built-in statistics to track your power savings. Your energy-efficient mesh network is now providing reliable coverage throughout your home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.